Okey, kita ada permintaan daripada Tuan Fahan untuk pair GA.
Okey. Kita tengok GA. Share screen. Okay. I think GA kita lama tak nampak, tak tengok pair ni, because I can see the previous trend line saya lukis, I didn't modify yet. Okay. Nevertheless, I think there is a quite strong breakout that happened somewhere dekat 1.85 ataupun 86 punya zone. Okay. And then it break out all the way about 300 pips to 1.89. Okay, this is somewhere dekat end November. That means for the last 2 weeks, price has been up, and then last 1 week plus, they are down. Okay, I think similar to EA. I think when Aussie was weak, similar to EA. Okay, when Aussie and New Zealand and Canadian, all three, this basket of currencies were weak, I think this is where we saw this movement that happened. Okay, but when these three picks up, when market was going on this is where I think everyone gave up on the gain, and then it came down to where it actually break out. Okay, so now we are seeing the breakout zone. It came, and then now it's acting dekat sini lah, this zone, which is between 1.84 to 1.85. Okay, so looking at this, I will say it looks like same like EA, but GA a bit weaker because GBP was quite weak last 1 week, because there was a delay in the interest rate hike, and also market wasn't so good about the virus dekat UK punya, the lockdown, etc. So GBP was sold quite heavily last week. Okay, but then since then it will make a bit of a sideway. So similar to EA punya what do you call direction, I would say it's most likely will be up. Okay, I think 1.84 will probably hold. So if you guys want to trade it, put your stop loss below 1.84. If you want a small stop loss, you put somewhere 8430 atau 8440, and then you long from here. But whether it's going to break out this, I'm not sure. But the clear direction, at least at this point, I'm looking at somewhere at least another about 300 to 400 pips punya ni, and then maybe sideways. I think I told about this couple of weeks ago. We are looking at it more of a sideways within this range for some time, because we are not going to see these two currencies going to take turn in terms of the breakout zone atau breakout entry. I think for this month, still US dollar is the key player atau kingmaker, and maybe the following month, maybe JPY, chef, those will come into play. But GBPAUD at this point, I think will be sideways. Even Euro AUD, I think it will be some kind of this move until we see clear breakout maybe next year. Okay, then only we see maybe up ataupun down. So I think for the next couple of weeks, I would say more of a sideways market, because I don't think AUD, NZD, ataupun even maybe Canada, I take it out first, but at least AUD, NZD, we don't see any catalyst ataupun news that can give strength ataupun weakness too much for any pairs to break out from their comfort zone. Okay.
Okey, baik. Terima kasih Cikgu Rashid. So itu analisa untuk pair GA. Okey, selamat malam Tuan Fahan. Okey, sebelum tu mungkin kita boleh ambil sedikit masa untuk isi borang.
Oh ya, ya.
Okey, pada yang dah live bersama kami, tolong share untuk naikkan viewer ya.